Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to turn it on, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down and find accessibility and then go there. And over here we have TalkBack. Here, in order to turn the TalkBack on, we need to simply tap on this slider and then we need to allow. And now TalkBack is enabled. In order to learn how to use it, you can read the instructions at the bottom of the screen over here. But let's say that you have TalkBack activated and then you are in the home screen. In order to get access to the TalkBack settings to turn it off, you need to first open the settings. If you don't have it over here in the home screen, you can use two fingers to open the app drawer. So normally you would have to do that with just one finger. This time you need to do that with both. So swipe with both fingers, then you can just simply press one time on settings and then double tap to go there. Now, over here, if you are in the settings, you want to simply use once again two fingers to scroll, because this time in order to scroll we need to use two fingers instead of just one. And we need to find accessibility like before, so we can tap once on accessibility and then double tap. Over here, select TalkBack once and then double tap. And then you can tap on the slider once and then double tap. You can swipe to the right from left like so in order to switch to turn off and then double tap the screen. And now TalkBack is off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.